Walk to the back of your car.
You're gonna tase me?
Walk to the back of your car.
Shoot me, why don't you?
Walk to the back of your car.
Shoot me.
To the back. Do not reach into your bag. I will tase you if you reach into your bag.
You're a little pumped up. Why are you squeezing my hand so hard?
Stop.
Later.
Stop.
Really?
Back up.
Now I'm getting...
Back up.
Really?
Babe, don't get arrested! What? What the fuck?
Stop.
Okay.
Stop. Stop grabbing my car. Back up. Back up.
Oh, you're gonna get
Back up.
Oh, look at that. Is that right?
March 2024 brought a clear, sunny day to Big Pine Key, Florida. But the calm was soon disrupted for a Monroe County Sheriff's deputy on patrol. The deputy's attention was drawn to a car driven by Darla, a 35-year-old woman who was driving dangerously fast and veering off the road. The deputy decided to follow her, observing as she continued to weave within her lane. Determined to stop her, the deputy initiated a traffic stop, but Darla's reaction was far from compliant, setting the stage for a dramatic confrontation. The deputy subsequently observed Darla glance at him through her rearview mirror before she generously offered him a one-finger salute and continued to drive. She then abruptly pulled over, immediately exited her vehicle, and began walking towards the deputy.
Why are you getting out of the car? Why are you getting out of the car? Step back. Step back. Step back. I did not tell you to get out of the car.
You're gonna tase me?
Walk to the back of your car.
You're gonna tase me?
Walk to the back of your car.
You're gonna tase me?
Walk to the back of your car.
Shoot me, why don't you?
Walk to the back of your car.
Shoot me.
To the back. To the back of your car.
Scott!
Turn around. That's what you're good for. Turn.
I don't feel safe.
Okay.
I'm gonna call 911.
Turn around. Do not reach into your bag. I will tase you if you reach into your bag. Turn around.
Okay, you see this, right?
Turn around.
I will drop my bag for you. Are you a newbie? How long you been on the force, dude? You're
Turn
watching
around.
The situation quickly escalated as Darla defied orders. Despite repeated commands, she refused to comply, escalating tensions further.
Thing, right? That's my neighbor.
Turn around.
Scott!
Turn around. Place your hands behind your head.
For what?
Place your hands behind your head. Place your hands behind your bed. Place your hands.
For what?
You're driving off the side of the roadway. You didn't use your turn signal and you're speeding when you passed me.
You're joking, right? You're
Okay.
kidding.
I've ordered you multiple times to turn around and place your hands behind your head. Now turn around and put your hands behind your head.
Can I get my boyfriend?
Her erratic behavior and refusal to cooperate led the deputy to maintain a cautious stance, wary of the unfolding situation. Darla's insistence on her innocence and demands to call her boyfriend added to the intensity of the encounter.
No. Put your hands behind your head. Are you an adult?
I'm 35 years old.
Okay, you're an adult, then you can do this yourself.
I'm a mother of 3.
Look, ma'am, I don't want to hurt you, but if you don't listen to me, I'm going to have to.
You're gonna tase me?
I will have to if you don't listen to me.
Holy sh-
Place your hands behind your head.
You're a little pumped up. Why are you squeezing my hand so hard?
Because you keep
Dude,
not listening to me. Stop.
Okay,
Please.
Do you know who,
Stop.
Do you know who it is?
Okay, well, you smell like alcohol, too. Maybe that's
Okay.
why you're swerving all over the road.
Amidst the confrontation, Darla's behavior suggested possible intoxication, which heightened concerns about her safety and that of others on the road. The deputy attempted to reason with her, explaining the gravity of the situation, but Darla remained defiant. Her insistence on her rights clashed with the deputy's duty to maintain order and safety on the road.
You know who Dennis Ward is? Why don't you call him?
I don't need to call Dennis Ward
Well, why don't you?
because I don't need to.
Well, you might have to.
What does he have to do with this traffic stop?
If really, because if you take me to jail, it might, yeah. I'll
Might it
blow.
do?
Go ahead. Let me blow. You're joking. How long you been in the force? What year are we at? You're new.
Okay.
You're so new. I'm 7th generation
Okay.
Floridian. You probably aren't
Please,
even from
please,
here,
please
bro.
stay. Stay.
Like, you're talking to me like a dog. Stay or what?
Okay,
dude?
well, I've
Stay
given
or
you
what?
orders as a normal human and you don't seem to
No,
respond
you're
to that.
not. You're talking to me like I'm an animal, like a dog. Sit, stay. Like, look at your hand pressing on me, bro. You don't
Okay.
have to touch me.
I do.
I'm not a criminal. I don't have drugs on me, dude. I don't have any pot, any.
Okay, stop.
Search
Stop.
my car.
Stop.
No, it's
Stop.
call up.
Stop.
Please call your supervisor.
No.
Why?
Because I don't need to.
Call your supervisor.
I don't need to.
I think you do.
Do you have anything else on you?
No, I don't. What kind of police state is this, dude? I fucking hate this, man. You're not. Are you really?
Yeah, you're going
My
to jail.
purse-
As the exchange continued, Darla's references to local figures and her status in the community hinted at frustrations and distrust of law enforcement.
Going to jail for what?
For
Can
resisting.
I get my purse?
No.
Resisting?
Yes.
I'm going to jail for resisting.
When you don't
Can
listen
I
to
get
me.
my cash out of my purse so I can make bond?
Okay. Sit down.
Holy are you
Sit down.
serious?
Yes, you're going to jail.
For what?
First off, you're drunk and you're driving a car.
I'm not drunk and drive. Let me blow.
Be that as it may,
blow?
you're resisting.
Can I blow?
No, not right now.
I know my rights.
Okay, fantastic. Well,
Can I
one of your rights
let
is
my
the right to remain
boyfriend
silent.
know?
I suggest you do that right now.
Can I at
Put
least
your feet
let my
in the car.
boyfriend know to come pick me up?
No, you can call him at the jail. Put your feet in.
I don't know his phone number.
Put your feet
my
in, please.
phone's dead.
What's your name?
Darla.
I'm John, okay? I need you to put your feet into the car.
Can you look me up and make sure I'm not a criminal? You can't just take me like this.
I can
have
actually.
Kids and a job, like, please.
Okay.
Can we talk?
Can you put your feet into the car,
Can we have a
please?
talk?
Yep.
My purse is...
Yep, I'll get it.
Can we have a
Put
talk?
your feet in.
Please don't take me to jail. Are you serious?
Yes, you're going to jail, Darla.
Can you get all the money out of my...
Yep. Keep your feet in there.
I need my money out of my...
I need you to put your feet
I gotta make bail, bro. Please, can you get my money?
Not stopping despite police warnings, she seemed to want to bribe money to be released.
Piece of pizza. I think she dropped a dollar bill on someone. Let's get her on the ground. Buzzball Chillers. Pineapple colada.
Oh my god. No. No. Please, God. Hey, excuse me.
Well, she's drunk, and just as soon as I try to pull her over, she speeds up, turns down a street without using a turn signal, pulls down the road, and keeps speeding up down here, almost hits a key deer, and was driving all off the side of the road. And then as soon as she does stop, she jumps out and starts running towards me. So, and then I had to tell her like probably 20 times to turn around with my taser out, and then she told me just to shoot her. And she smells like alcohol. I don't know if she's drunk. All I could find was one buzz ball. But I'm gonna test her for DUI at the jail, but for right now she's going for resisting. I don't think I'm gonna do flee and elude because it was kind of short. It was really like half a mile, but still lights and sirens, and she didn't slow down. Yeah, well, when she passed me, so I'm driving towards US 1 on Key Deer, and she's driving the other way, and she was literally, her passenger side wheel was completely off the road, like in the grass, and I'm just driving. I'm like, So I turn around, I speed up, I get not too close behind her, and she's just still driving off the road, swerves back into it, drives off. I'm like, oh, maybe a DUI. So I turn my camera on, start following for a minute. She starts trying to turn down the side road without her blinker on, so then I put my lights and sirens on, and then she just like sped away, and then stopped here and started screaming for her boyfriend. 35, she said. Oh yeah, I called for code 4 when I had my taser up. I didn't know if I was about to tase her or not. I mean, I don't know if she's gonna, I don't even know her. She just kept asking me how long I've been on and telling me that I'm a rookie and that I don't even bait, or like I've never been in Big Pine or something. No, it's kind of...
Word out, I dare you.
Yeah, there's bugs in there, you see them?
It was soon discovered that she had parked her vehicle outside her ex-boyfriend's house, which explained why she had been repeatedly calling out for his help.
Okay,
Like
so...
the ticket, please. I'm a good, outstanding citizen. I'm a mother of 3. I'm a member of this community. Like, I'm trying to do real estate, trying to do better with my life. I'm not drunk. I'll blow for you. Like, I'm good. It just you scared me. I'm not gonna lie. I've been dating this guy that lives here for about 6 months. Yeah, we just got in a fight, and I was coming here to get my stuff.
Okay. And his name is Scott?
Mm-hmm. You can actually come in with me to get my stuff. We just got in a big fight, and I'm moving out.
Okay, well, your response to all of this was not correct.
Well,
I tried to pull you over way back there when you turned, and then you kind of...
He just broke up with me, and I'm coming to get my stuff.
Yeah, but when I have my lights on and then I put the siren on, you speed away from me.
I didn't see you.
Okay, well...
I'm sorry, I had the music up, and I'm crying. He just broke up with me at the gas station. We went to next to the liquor store. He was like, it's over, and I was coming to get my stuff.
Well, the thing is, your response to everything that just happened, I have to take you to jail. Okay?
Can I at least get my wallet so I can pay to get out of jail?
Yeah, I'm bringing your purse and your hat and stuff.
My wallet's in my glove box.
In your glove box.
There's a wallet.
Okay, so for right now, you're definitely...
You at least tell him like to come get me, because I don't want to walk from Key West.
I thought you guys just broke up. He's gonna come pick you up?
I'm sure if... I'd hope so.
Okay. So, you smell like alcohol, too.
I'm going to be stuck in Key West, and I'm either going to be walking, or I would hope that you would let him know to come pick me up.
Okay, we'll let him know.
Please don't tow my car! Scott!
Here, let me get out so she's not screaming in the back. Hello, is that your girlfriend, Darla?
It is.
Okay, so she's gonna go to jail.
For what?
There's no reason! I've done nothing wrong!
Well, she tried to run from me, and then she got out of her car and started coming towards me.
On what suspect, what crime did she commit for you to arrest
Again,
her?
she's an adult. I don't need to explain this to you.
You do. You do.
By what?
As an employee to me, you need to.
An employee to you.
I pay taxes, right?
That's
I
a good.
pay- yeah,
Okay,
so-
Scott,
I'm
we're done.
gonna-
Scott, we're done talking.
No, we're
Unless
not.
you want to
No,
go in
no.
the back of my car as well.
For what crime?
Well, because I told you we're done talking right now, I'm doing an
That's not
investigation.
illegal. That's not illegal to talk to you this way.
With sincere efforts, her ex-boyfriend was ultimately unable to help Darla. She had to stand up for herself in this miserable life.
Anything, please. Yeah, so I can say goodbye to my lover. Oh my God, I hope he comes and picks me up.
Unfortunately, we're gonna have to drive away because he's a little bit upset right now, and I don't want to have him come back over here.
Can you turn up the song?
This song?
Yeah, I love Tyler Childers. I love this song. You're not a bad dude. I get it. I'm like my dad's military, my uncle's a cop. Like I understand. It's just your job. It's not you personally, you know. I get it. Whatever. I can't wait to go to court. I hope you show up. This will be great. It's gonna be great. I can't wait. I'm gonna make a documentary actually. This is oof. This is my lucky day.
Once again, Darla's fragile hope bloomed when her ex-lover came back to see her again. However, this action of his seems to have been wrong.
Do you have her personal possession? I can
You
have
just
her-
littered. Back up. Back up.
Litter?
Stop.
Litter?
Stop.
Really?
Back up.
Now I'm getting.
Back up.
Really?
Babe, don't get arrested!
You want to take him too?
What crime is this one?
We keep telling you to stay back
I
from
just
us.
asked for her personal protection.
You're throwing stuff on the ground. You smell like alcohol. You're
allowed
obviously drunk.
I'm allowed to be. Am I driving? Am I committing a crime?
No, but I told you already I don't want you coming up to me because I feel
asked you
unsafe by you.
questions.
Okay.
What in my business attire, bro? Dude, I'm in business
Look,
attire.
Scott, I'll give you one last chance. If you want to walk away,
Hate it here.
I just want her keys.
We'll let you.
Personal possession.
we don't have to give you that.
She will say that.
She wants it.
Ask her.
Okay,
Ask her.
we will ask her.
Thank
You don't
you.
walk up like that, acting crazy, littering, literally. I gave you that. That's littering. If you want to be technical, that's littering.
You're balling your fists up when you walk up to us. You grab it out of his hand.
I'll watch
You
the body
snatched it out of his
cam.
hand.
I'll watch the body cam.
I watched you do it. You
Okay,
snatched it out of
I
his
got
hand,
one
then you
last
throw it
chance.
on the ground.
Can I have her personal possession?
We really don't need to take both of you to jail just because you're upset.
No.
I need you to calm down.
Wasting my time.
Are you going to calm down?
Quit wasting my time.
Are you going to calm down, Scott?
Calm.
Oh man, I'm going to court with this one.
Okay.
I'm talking in a calm fashion.
Okay.
Bro, I hate the keys. I never want to come back here again.
Can I have her personal possessions?
She wants them. I will ask her.
And I hope y'all hear this on this body cam. Whoever's listening, yeah, you hear me? Keys, 7th generation Floridian. I'm disappearing. I hate this place.
Despite attempts to reason with Darla, her erratic behavior persisted, making it clear that the encounter was unlikely to end without further intervention. The deputy, balancing concern for Darla's well-being with the need to uphold the law, proceeded cautiously, aware of the potential for escalation. Ultimately, Darla was subsequently fined $7,500 and released on bail after being charged with felony fleeing and eluding an officer, as well as misdemeanor resisting and obstructing officers. What are your thoughts on this event? Let's discuss below. See you next time.